As a business owner, this may be a perfect time for you to review your affairs. Slower time of year, time to take a deep dive into how are you set up. First of all, your share structure. If you have other shareholders, do you have a shareholder agreement in place? Is it signed? We've seen it not signed, and one shareholder passed away, and it was a mess. Are the same shareholders still viable, or has somebody left? Has somebody been added? Very, very important. Also, trusts and estate freezes. Do you have a trust? When does it renew? Trusts have a 21-year renewal where you have to make changes. Don't surpass that date because it's going to be a big tax issue. As well, estate freezes. When is a good time to freeze the share value of your estate and pass the growth shares to the next generation? Very important to look at that. Holding companies. Should you have a holding company? It can be either a beneficiary of the trust or in between your operating company and holding company. Huge value. Much information and not enough time here to explain all the pluses. Also, wills and powers of attorney. In Canada, 55% of people don't have wills. That is insane. And they leave their affairs to the government deciding who's going to get the money, how are the children going to be treated, especially if both parents pass away, who's the guardian, who's going to be the benefactor of the whole thing, who's going to manage their affairs. Big problem. Power of attorney. You're in a car accident. Somebody hits you. What happens? You're in a hospital. You can't make business decisions or financial decisions. Power of attorney will help alleviate that pressure by having an individual, a group of individuals to manage your affairs until you get back on your feet. As far as insurance protection, a lot of people don't want to talk about insurance, either being dying or disabled or critically ill. Well, here are things as a business owner you got to look at. Executive disability. No, it's not group insurance. Way different, way more beneficial to you, and you should look at that. Critical illness. What happens if you get a heart attack, stroke, cancer, paralysis, loss of independence? Would it be good to have a policy that gives you a lump sum of cash after 30 days of diagnosis so you don't have to worry about finances while you're recovering? It is great value. Now, life insurance. Ugh. Yes, somebody has to die. Where does it come in? Helps businesses, helps estates, helps take care of taxes that have to be paid on disposition, helps the family continue the level of income that they're accustomed to, certainly the standard of finances. It has great value. Also, certain life insurance policies accumulate on a tax deferred basis, where the growth inside the policy is not taxed until you take it out. Great value for certain clients, especially in a corporate setting. We have worked for the last 41 years to help bring ideas, strategies, helping clients maximize their estate, maximize their wealth, eliminate tax, and at the time of hardship, provide a check. That's what we do at In Orbis and TK Financial.